Hi you guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. It is officially May 11th, my birthday, and we are out here at the house working. We had so many birthdays recently that I'm gonna celebrate my birthday in 2 weeks just to kind of give it space. Mother's Day was yesterday. Again, Asia been partying all April. She's a party animal. I'm gonna insert a picture of her right here on how she was yesterday. Yeah, don't, hey, hello. Hi. Yeah. Miss Party. She partied it out. No, we went to SeaWorld, Six Flags, buku restaurants. We had family / friends drive in town because their daughter's birthday was here. Was day before yesterday, or was it Friday? It was one of them days. So they came into town and we partied with them. We had a really good time. Then Mother's Day, we went to a restaurant yesterday. The restaurant sang happy birthday and everything, and today is officially my birthday. So because we did a lot of partying and I haven't been over here in a while to work, I didn't have footage for you guys, so I didn't post anything. I do have some vlogs that I could like mush up in one, that I am going to mush up in one and post for you guys, and then you'll have this work video. Well, you probably get that vlog after this work video. This work video will be posted this Thursday. So yeah, we worked them out of school today. So what you want to do for your birthday? I want to break out my mini best friends from school so we could go and hang out. But this is the first stop. So we're doing this here, and then we're just chilling for today. Nothing major. If I take this hat off, y'all gonna be like, girl, what? So y'all got a glimpse of my birthday hair. And this was a rush job last minute. So I have to actually take all of this down and redo it properly, the right way. I only had like 30 minutes to get as many in as possible. But I'm gonna insert some pictures for you guys. I have a few videos that I am going to post. So the next videos will be work, vlog, work, and we'll just go from there, okay? I'm trying to get out of my mind, and it's like, oh, it has to be a calendar, it has to be a certain way. Girl, just post the videos, right?
You think Brush can work?
No, but we don't have. Oh, I do think they can. Okay,
What's Brush?
let's work, and then I'll be back. We are working in the yard because it's been so long since we've been here. Y'all look how high. Look how high the grass is. The grass is stupid high. The trees are overgrown. And once this wall is completely sand down, we are building cabinets, appliances, new window. Yeah, you could just throw that in the trash can though. You don't have to put it in the bag.
Oh.
Where your other glove? Get another glove. But once all of that is finished, then we will put in new windows. But we want to go ahead and finish the outside before we put anything new inside. As clean up the yard, pick up the trash, and have the outside looking like something. the grass be so pretty. It grow out different. It's strange. Like you see here, and then look. Right, the garden is gonna be beautiful. And then look at this patch here. This is gorgeous. Huh? Yes? Yeah, okay, let's go. Huh? In the house? Let's go under. The string is there from when we did the fence. But I'm sorry, you guys, I don't have my mic today. I couldn't find it. But look at the flowers. Look how it's growing. Already, it's so pretty. It's so pretty and so high.
I wonder what kind of flowers are those?
We can take a picture and see. But it's very pretty. But I do want to make this area outside of the gate because I want the gate to open from back here. I want to make this area like beautiful. You know, even though the road is right here, it's still like some kind of landscaping. And we already started with the gates. We pulled the planks out. That's not the planks, I'm sorry. We pulled the post out and we're getting ready to drop them back in. The ground is really soft because we have been getting a lot of rain. And we have talked to a few fencing guys and they were saying this is the perfect time to go ahead and dig a little more to drop your post in some more and to make them closer because they're supposed to be 6 feet apart. So the rest of the post is in the house. We haven't brought it out yet. I am getting ready to finish cutting this part. So we have all the tools here and we are just going to continue to work. I am not talking because I don't have my mic and I'm getting help as far as recording. But look at this. Look at this grass. It is beautiful. Huh? She not in the house? Huh? Oh. Why is this so pretty? Them not weeds. No. Is it? No, it can't be. Look how pretty this is. We have a yard full of this. Did it run? Wait. Oh, Asia. Grab it. To death. Oh.
It's a chicken.
Let me see the face. Wait, don't let it fly on me, Aisha. I'm gonna die.
Looky. Look at it.
Hi, man. Hi, man. You want to be a part of the family?
I'm keeping it. How's it feel? Is it soft?
Look, Aisha.
Oh, look at Pluto.
We love you.
You don't know what's going on.
Let me
Get my
see.
phone?
No, Taylor.
Get my phone. No. Dad, can you get my phone and my camera?
Let me see. I'm recording.
Can you take a picture of it? Like,
Look at it. Okay, you gotta smile with it, Asia. Look. What's his name?
Pluto. What? Roly polies. Here.
Find a box to put him in. What if I would have ran him over? I would have been so heartbroken.
Yes, perfecto.
Come on, doctor. Saving lives every day.